Hey everyone, it is Zach again here with another shop update. Today is Friday, February 26th. So I know yesterday we had a real busy day. We got that Ford customers lift all done, put up. I know today they're working on the Denali that's been in the shop. So we're gonna get that Big Chief installed hopefully today. But we're gonna go talk to the guys in the shop and see what it is that they got left to do on that. So let's go see what they're up to. All right, Homer, what do you got going on in the shop today?
I got about 2 more foot of weld to leave. I got to do a 3-pass fillet weld on my gussets that I got in between here, tying into the stock gussets on the frame. And once I get that done and cleaned up, I'm gonna grab our lift frame and get it underneath and start mocking it in so I can see what kind of plates I need to cut. I'd like to be able to tie back in to where we are able to tie in on the opposite side of our gusset here, where we got running through our frame on both sides. Is our front of our frame should sit right in here somewhere. Well, the back of it rather, sorry. But once I have all that done, we'll be able to start cutting the plates and then get the holes drilled for the back bumper and start mocking everything up in and be moving forward with getting the frame welded in it, getting the mounting plates welded on, and then I'd like to finish the exhaust work today. Pretty much today I'd like to get to the point where rolling into next week or rolling into the weekend, we'll be able to get the bed put on and start mounting our cylinders and start running our lines and whatnot.
Okay, so frame reinforcement's done.
Yeah,
at this point we're basically lining everything up to start doing the plumbing for the Big Chief to get the Big Chief dropped in.
Right, yeah, I got about another hour and a half or so to weld out and we'll be good to go.
Sounds good, cool. All right, Rob, Tom, what do you guys got going on today?
Well, we're getting our Big Chief head ready to mount to our tubes after we get it up under there, and once Homer's done with the frame reinforcement, we can go ahead and start assembling the lift and get this truck out of here.
Cool, good stuff. All right, guys.